Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to allow Twitter to personalize your experience. Personalizing your Twitter experience can help you find more relevant content and recommendations based on your interest and activity. So, let's get started on how to allow Twitter to personalize your experience. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. From the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. Under Data Sharing and Personalization, tap on Inferred Identity. Enable the setting to allow Twitter to personalize your experience based on devices and activity even if you are not logged in. And that's how you can allow Twitter to personalize your experience. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.